Hi all, welcome to Math Easy. In today's video, we will be discussing about the volume of rectangular prism. What do you mean by a volume of rectangular prism? Volume of rectangular prism is the space occupied by that object. This is a picture of a rectangular prism. This part is called the length of the rectangular prism. This one. This is called the width and this is the height. Generally, the length of the rectangular prism is denoted as L, width as W and height as H. This is the general notation you can see anywhere. Now, what is the formula for finding the volume of rectangular prism? That is equal to just multiply the length, width and the height, because that is the total space occupied by this rectangular prism, right? So, volume equal to length times width times height. You can see they won't write this multiplication like this. They will simply write like this, LWH. It is one and the same. This means length times width times height. Moreover, in some places you can see the volume formula as B times H, base times height. Here you don't have to get confused. The base means length times width. Length times width. This LW, sometimes they will denote it together as the base B. So, which means length with height multiplication, this formula is same as base times height formula. Both these formulas are one and the same. Instead of writing length times width, in some places we can see they will just refer it to as the base, and the base is equal to, as I told you, length times width. Okay, so both are one and the same. Now let us discuss more about this rectangular prism with few examples. Now consider a rectangular prism with these measurements, where this 12 inches, it is the length, the 4 inches that is the width and 8 inches that is going to be the height. Length, width, height. Now for this example, let us see how to find the volume of rectangular prism. You know the formula for this is length times width times height. So simply we need to multiply all these together. 12 inches times 4 inches times 8 inches. That's it. You just need to multiply all this. How to multiply? 12 fours are 48. 48 times 8, 8 8s are 64, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 6, 38. 384 inch cube or cubic inch. For a volume, the unit is going to be inch cube, or in some places you can see cubic inches. Both are one and the same. Both are the same notations. So this is how we will find the volume for this. Now let us see more examples. Consider this rectangular prism where the length is 6, the width is 9 and the height is 4. How to find the volume? Volume V of a rectangular prism is equal to length times width times height. That is equal to, what is the length here? 6 centimeter times 9 centimeter times 4 centimeter. So, now we need to simply multiply this. 9 4s are 36. So, 6 times 36. Let us multiply 6 times 36. 6 6 are 36. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3, 21. So, 216. This is equal to 216 centimeter cube, or you can write as cubic centimeter. So, for a volume, you have to write it as cube. For area, it's going to be square. So, for a volume, it's going to be cubic units. Now let us consider the rectangular prism with the fractional numbers. Here you can see in this rectangular prism, this number 12, that is the length. Here the small one, 1 by 4, that is going to be the width, and the straight one, 4 by 5 centimeter, that is going to be the height. You know the length is denoted as L, width as W, and height as H. Now let us try to solve this. What is the volume of a rectangular prism? You know the formula for the volume is length times width times height. So you simply multiply all these three. That is equal to, what is the length? 12 times width is 1 by 4 and height is 4 by 5. Now let us solve this. You can see in the denominator 4 is there, numerator 4 is there. So you can simply cut it out. So you will get 12 by 5. Now what is the decimal division of this? 12 divided by 5. It's going to be 5 times 2, 10, 20. So 0.4. 20, 0. So 12 by 5 is going to be 2.4. Here centimeter is the unit. Since it is volume, you have to put cube, 2.4 centimeter cube, or you can write 2.4 cubic centimeter. Both are one and the same. Hope you have understood about the volume of rectangular prism in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to Math Easy channel and push the like button. Thanks for watching.